Hey everyone, we're here today to talk about something super important for your health: vitamin and mineral deficiencies. We often focus on eating enough, but are you getting the right nutrients? In this video, we're going deep on the most common deficiencies. What causes them, how to recognize the signs, and most importantly, how to fix them. We'll cover everything from the fatigue of iron deficiency to the surprising effects of low vitamin D. And stick around to the end because we want to hear from you. Share your experiences with these deficiencies, what's worked for you, and any questions you have in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and build a healthier community.
First up is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin because our bodies actually produce it in response to sunlight. Now, many people think they're getting enough vitamin D, but deficiency is more common than you might think, especially if you live in a place with limited sunlight, work indoors, or have darker skin. Symptoms of vitamin D deficiency can be sneaky. You might experience fatigue, muscle weakness, bone pain, or even mood swings. The good news is getting enough vitamin D is often as simple as spending some time outdoors or incorporating vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, eggs, and fortified foods into your diet. In some cases, your doctor might recommend a supplement, so it's always best to check.
Next, let's talk about vitamin B12, a crucial nutrient for energy production, nerve function, and red blood cell formation. B12 deficiency is particularly common among vegans and vegetarians because it's primarily found in animal products like meat, poultry, fish, and dairy. Feeling constantly tired and weak. That could be a sign of B12 deficiency. Other symptoms include tingling in the hands and feet, pale skin, and even cognitive difficulties like brain fog. If you're concerned, talk to your doctor about getting your B12 levels checked. Depending on the severity, they might recommend dietary changes or B12 supplements.
Vitamin A is essential for good vision, healthy skin, and a strong immune system. While less common in developed countries, vitamin A deficiency is a major public health concern in many parts of the world. One of the most alarming symptoms of vitamin A deficiency is night blindness or difficulty seeing in low light. You might also experience dry eyes, frequent infections, and slow wound healing. Luckily, incorporating vitamin A-rich foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and liver can help prevent and treat deficiency.
Chapter 4. Boosting your immunity. The importance of vitamin C. Vitamin C, an antioxidant powerhouse, is crucial for a healthy immune system, wound healing, and collagen production. While most people associate vitamin C with oranges, it's found in a variety of fruits and vegetables like strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. Deficiency in vitamin C can lead to scurvy, a serious condition characterized by fatigue, bleeding gums, and slow wound healing. Thankfully, scurvy is rare today, but milder forms of deficiency can still occur. If you're not a big fruit and veggie eater, consider a vitamin C supplement to ensure you're meeting your daily needs.
The antioxidant defender, vitamin E and your health. Vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant that protects our cells from damage caused by free radicals. It's also important for immune function and healthy blood clotting. You can find vitamin E in foods like nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and leafy greens. Vitamin E deficiency is relatively uncommon, but can lead to muscle weakness, nerve damage, and even vision problems. People with digestive disorders or those who have difficulty absorbing fats may be at a higher risk of deficiency. In such cases, supplementation might be necessary. The clotting factor. Understanding vitamin K deficiency. Vitamin K plays a vital role in blood clotting, ensuring that our bodies can stop bleeding properly. It's also important for bone health. Leafy green vegetables like kale and spinach are excellent sources of vitamin K, as are some fermented foods like natto. Vitamin K deficiency is rare in adults, but can be serious, especially in newborns. Symptoms include easy bruising, excessive bleeding, and even internal bleeding. If you're taking blood thinners, it's important to talk to your doctor about your vitamin K intake, as it can interfere with these medications. Vitamin B6 is a busy nutrient involved in over 100 enzyme reactions in the body, including those related to metabolism, brain function, and red blood cell production. It's found in a variety of foods like poultry, fish, bananas, and chickpeas. Deficiency in vitamin B6 can lead to a range of symptoms like anemia, skin rashes, and even neurological problems. Certain medications, like some used for tuberculosis, can interfere with B6 absorption, so it's important to discuss your medications with your doctor. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, is crucial for cell growth and division, making it especially important during pregnancy for the development of the baby's neural tube. Good sources of folate include leafy green vegetables, citrus fruits, beans, and fortified grains. Folate deficiency during pregnancy can lead to birth defects, so it's essential for pregnant women to get enough of this vital nutrient. In adults, folate deficiency can cause fatigue, weakness, and even cognitive decline. Vitamin H, more commonly known as biotin, is often touted for its role in healthy hair, skin, and nails. While true, biotin also plays a role in metabolism and cell signaling. You can find biotin in foods like eggs, nuts, seeds, and sweet potatoes. Biotin deficiency is relatively rare but can cause hair loss, brittle nails, and skin rashes. Certain medical conditions and medications can interfere with biotin absorption, so it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor if you have concerns. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is essential for converting food into energy and maintaining healthy nerve function. It's found in foods like pork, whole grains, and legumes. Thiamine deficiency can lead to a serious condition called beriberi, which affects the nervous system and cardiovascular system. Symptoms include fatigue, muscle weakness, and even heart problems. Alcoholism is a major risk factor for thiamine deficiency, as alcohol interferes with its absorption. Vitamin B2, or riboflavin, is another key player in energy production. It also helps break down fats and drugs in the body. Good sources of riboflavin include milk, yogurt, eggs, and leafy green vegetables. Riboflavin deficiency can lead to cracks and sores around the mouth, inflammation of the tongue, and even eye problems. It's often seen in conjunction with other B vitamin deficiencies. Vitamin B3, or niacin, plays a crucial role in energy metabolism, DNA repair, and cell signaling. It's found in foods like poultry, fish, nuts, and whole grains. Niacin deficiency can lead to a condition called pellagra, characterized by diarrhea, dementia, and dermatitis, the 3 Ds of pellagra. While rare in developed countries, it's still a concern in areas with limited food diversity. Combating fatigue. Understanding iron deficiency. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body, making it crucial for energy production. It's also important for cell growth and hormone production. Good sources of iron include red meat, spinach, beans, and lentils. Iron deficiency, behind magnesium, is the most common nutritional deficiency worldwide, and it often leads to anemia, a condition characterized by fatigue, weakness, and pale skin. Women of childbearing age are particularly susceptible to iron deficiency due to blood loss during menstruation. The relaxation mineral magnesium in your body. Magnesium is involved in over 300 bodily processes, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. It's found in foods like leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate. Magnesium deficiency is surprisingly common and can manifest in a variety of ways, including muscle cramps, fatigue, insomnia, and even anxiety. Factors like stress, alcohol consumption, and certain medications can deplete magnesium levels. Building strong bones, the importance of calcium. Calcium is well known for its role in building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. It's also important for muscle function, nerve transmission, and blood clotting. Dairy products are excellent sources of calcium, as are leafy green vegetables, almonds, and fortified foods. Calcium deficiency can weaken bones, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. It can also lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and even heart problems in severe cases. Immunity and more. The power of zinc. Zinc is a trace mineral that plays a vital role in immune function, wound healing, and cell growth. It's found in foods like oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and chickpeas. Zinc deficiency can weaken the immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. It can also lead to hair loss, delayed wound healing, and loss of taste and smell. Maintaining fluid balance. Potassium deficiency, also known as hypokalemia. Potassium is an electrolyte that plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. It's found in foods like bananas, avocados, sweet potatoes, and coconut water. Potassium deficiency can lead to fatigue, muscle weakness, constipation, and even heart rhythm abnormalities. Certain medications, like diuretics, can increase potassium loss. The salt-balanced sodium deficiency, or hyponatremia. Sodium often gets a bad rap, but it's an essential electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. While most people consume more than enough sodium, deficiency, also known as hyponatremia, can occur. Hyponatremia can cause headaches, confusion, nausea, and even seizures in severe cases. It's often caused by excessive sweating, prolonged vomiting or diarrhea, or drinking too much water without replenishing electrolytes. Iodine is a trace mineral that's essential for thyroid hormone production. Thyroid hormones regulate metabolism, growth, and development. Iodized salt is the most common source of iodine, but it's also found in seafood, dairy products, and eggs. Iodine deficiency can lead to hypothyroidism, a condition where the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough hormones. This can cause fatigue, weight gain, dry skin, and even goiter, an enlargement of the thyroid gland. Copper, while needed in smaller amounts than iron, is still crucial for iron absorption and red blood cell formation. It's also important for connective tissue formation, energy production, and nerve function. You can find copper in foods like shellfish, nuts, seeds, and organ meats. Copper deficiency is relatively rare but can lead to anemia, fatigue, bone abnormalities, and neurological problems. Certain medical conditions, like celiac disease and Menkes disease, can affect copper absorption. Chromium is a trace mineral that plays a role in blood sugar regulation by enhancing the action of insulin. It's found in foods like broccoli, whole grains, and brewer's yeast. Chromium deficiency is thought to be relatively common but often goes undiagnosed. It may contribute to insulin resistance, making it harder for the body to regulate blood sugar levels. Manganese is a trace mineral involved in various metabolic processes, including carbohydrate and cholesterol metabolism, bone formation, and antioxidant defense. It's found in foods like nuts, seeds, whole grains, and leafy green vegetables. Manganese deficiency is rare, but can affect bone health, wound healing, and blood sugar control. Certain medical conditions and medications can interfere with manganese absorption. Phosphorus, often overshadowed by calcium, is the second most abundant mineral in the body and is crucial for bone health, energy production, and DNA formation. It's found in a wide variety of foods, including dairy products, meat, poultry, fish, and nuts. Phosphorus deficiency is relatively uncommon but can occur in people with certain medical conditions or those taking certain medications. Symptoms include fatigue, muscle weakness, bone pain, and confusion. Selenium is a trace mineral that acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. It's also important for thyroid hormone production and immune function. Brazil nuts are particularly rich in selenium, but it's also found in seafood, meat, and whole grains. Selenium deficiency is more common in regions with selenium-deficient soil. It can weaken the immune system, increase the risk of certain cancers, and even affect mood. Fluoride is a mineral that's best known for its role in preventing tooth decay. It strengthens tooth enamel, making it more resistant to acid attacks from bacteria in the mouth. The most common source of fluoride is fluoridated water, but it's also found in some toothpastes and mouthwashes. Fluoride deficiency increases the risk of cavities and tooth decay. In areas without fluoridated water, dentists may recommend fluoride supplements, especially for children. Boron is a trace mineral that often gets overlooked, but it plays a role in bone health, wound healing, and even brain function. It's found in foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and legumes. Boron deficiency is thought to be relatively common, but more research is needed to fully understand its effects. Some studies suggest that boron deficiency may contribute to osteoporosis, arthritis, and impaired cognitive function. Vanadium is a trace mineral that's not yet considered essential, but research suggests it may play a role in blood sugar regulation, bone health, and even cancer prevention. It's found in foods like shellfish, mushrooms, black pepper, and parsley. Vanadium deficiency is not well understood, and more research is needed to determine its effects. However, some studies suggest that vanadium deficiency may contribute to impaired glucose tolerance and reduced bone density.
That was a lot of information, but I hope you found it helpful. Remember, taking care of your health is a journey, and understanding vitamin and mineral deficiencies is a big part of that. If you're experiencing any of the symptoms we discussed, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. They can help determine if a deficiency is contributing to your health concerns and recommend the best course of action. And don't forget to share your experiences, questions, and tips in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and build a healthier community together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative videos like this one. Until next time, stay healthy.